In today's lecture, we will see marketing concept, that is the traditional concept of marketing and the modern concept of marketing. As students, until now we have learned that marketing is the process of utilizing available resources of the organization to fulfill the needs of the customer. It is concerned with directing the organizational resources towards customer satisfaction in a profitable way. That is, to produce the product, sell it to the customer, and earn profit. Now, to understand what is marketing in a better way and to provide a clear picture of marketing concept, it is categorized into two parts. First, the traditional concept of marketing or product oriented concept, and second, modern concept of marketing or customer oriented concept. Now we will see the difference between the traditional concept of marketing and the modern concept of marketing. Under the traditional concept of marketing, it is assumed that the process of production and delivery of goods is only concerned with the manufacturer. It has nothing to do with the customer. The needs and wants of the customer are ignored. That is, to produce and to sell is the way to earn the profit, is known as the traditional concept of marketing. To represent the traditional concept of marketing in a diagrammatic way, we can say that goods and services are produced in the company, they are sold to the customer, and profits are earned through sales. To understand the modern concept of marketing and the difference between the traditional and modern concept, we have look at the diagram. In modern concept of marketing, the company researches on the customer's needs. They produce the product and services accordingly. They create the demand for the product, sell it to the customer. After sales service is provided and profits are earned through customer satisfaction. This is nothing but the modern concept. That is, customers needs, produce the product, then sales, after sales, and profit through customer satisfaction. Now we will understand the difference between traditional and the modern concept of marketing. In traditional concept of marketing, first focus is on the product only, while in modern concept focus is on customer needs and wants. Traditional concept objective was profit maximization, while modern concept of customer satisfaction and customer delight. Traditional concept is short term oriented, that is to produce and to sell. Time period is very short, while the modern concept is long term oriented, that is to find out the need, that is research the product, fulfill the customer need, after sales service, and give satisfaction to the customer. In traditional concept of marketing, promotional activities were very less, while in modern concept of marketing, continuous and sustainable promotional activities are carried out. Traditional concept of marketing is narrow concept, that is produce and sell, while the modern concept of marketing is a broader concept. Research the product, make the product, sell the product, after sales service, and customer satisfaction. That is the broader concept. Now we will see the characteristics of traditional concept of marketing. First characteristic of traditional concept of marketing is focuses on production process. To produce is the priority. Second characteristic of traditional concept is it is all about delivery of goods and services to target customer. Third characteristic is traditional concept is based on the assumption that marketing starts with the production of goods and ends as soon as the goods are sold. Next characteristic is traditional concept does not include any related activity like warehousing, finance and transportation, after sale service, etc. Only production and sale is the priority. Now we'll try to understand the modern concept of marketing. The modern concept of marketing is customer based. According to this concept, no organization can attain profit and sales maximization until and unless they aim to focus on the customer needs and wants. The main purpose of this concept is to satisfy the customer in the best possible way. As we have seen in the previous diagram, focus is on needs satisfaction. Now moving ahead, we will see the characteristics of modern concept of marketing. First characteristic is modern concept has got customer oriented approach. The modern concept of marketing is highly customer oriented, means organization should take the idea of producing a product from the market, that is customer need, and focus towards producing the desired product. Second characteristic is systems approach. Systems approach is followed by modern concept, that is all the departments in the company, that is the finance department, HR department, production department, are all focused on customer satisfaction, and they are all interrelated or working interrelated to achieve the objective. Next characteristic of modern concept of marketing is dual objective. Modern concept of marketing focuses on two divergent objectives at the same time. These are customer satisfaction and profit making. Next characteristic is marketing information system. Modern concept of marketing is largely based on the use of marketing information system, that is MIS, as it takes to get information about markets and the customer. Market means what is the demand, when is the demand, how is the demand, and the customer means what are his needs, what does he like, how will he be satisfied, etc. Next characteristic of modern concept of marketing is social approach. Modern concept is social in nature. That means it focuses on the welfare of the human beings. Next characteristic is modern concept focuses on customer. Customer is considered as the focal point of the market, and to fulfill the needs and wants of the customer is the main objective of the modern concept. Next characteristic, recognition of customer needs and wants, on the basis of which goods are produced in order to satisfy customer requirement. Very simple to understand. Next one, modern concept is believed that profits can be earned when customers are fully satisfied. And last characteristic is modern concept of marketing is all about increasing the standard of living of the society by producing better and better products. So in today's lecture, we have seen what is the traditional concept of marketing and what is the modern concept of marketing, the difference between traditional concept of marketing and the modern concept of